What's up guys, so in this quick video here what I'm going to show you how to do is get your box working. Let's say for whatever reason you guys turned it on and the Titan skin fell off and your box looks like this, Kodi looks like this when you turn it on, and let's just for a moment let's pretend that these squares down here, they're not here. Let's pretend that this is blank as well. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to set up Kodi just the bare minimum, basic wise, no shortcuts, just the actual, just like the little add-ons like we see down here with with Genesis and Sports Double. We're gonna just set up the mere basics. Okay, so the first thing that we're gonna want to do is you want to scroll all the way over to the right down here in Systems. If you see down here, there's a submenu called File Manager. In File Manager, what you're gonna do is you want to click on that. You're gonna want to scroll all the way down to where it says Add Source. Here in Add Source, this window is going to pop up. You have two. The very first one, guys, I already have the sources that we're going to add, so this is very easy. What you're going to do in this box, you're going to click it. This is going to pop up, the little keyboard. Okay. In this box, what you're going to do is you're going to type in the information for Fusion. Okay. So in the very first box, guys, we're going to type it exactly the way that it looks right here, the exact same way. With the http://fusion.tv-addons.ag. You don't need to add this little / right here, but you do need to spell it out the exact way that it looks like right here, the exact same way. You're gonna type that when you click the add source. You're gonna type that right here. Okay, you're gonna use this keyboard. You're gonna type it in the same way, guys. http://fusion. Okay, I'm not gonna type it because I already have it in here. All right, so once you type that in, you're gonna hit done, guys. The moment that it looks like that, exactly the same way, you're gonna hit done. Okay, if for whatever reason when you hit done it says that something happened to the source, or you get some sort of message or something like that, you did not spell it correctly, or there's something that's missing, you need to spell it the exact same way. I can't stress this enough because I know I'm gonna get a lot of people that are gonna ask me the same thing. You have to spell it the exact way that it appears on there. Okay. Once that's done, down here where it says enter the name for the media, all you're gonna do is you're gonna just type in just FU, okay, which is gonna stand for Fusion. Okay, guys. Then you're gonna hit done. Once you have that typed in, you're gonna hit done. Okay. And what's gonna happen is it's gonna show up on your screen, but it's, instead of it saying here how it says on my screen that it says Fusion, on yours it's gonna say FU only. Okay, that's exactly all you're gonna do. Like I said, guys, I can't stress this enough. When you add it, you have to make sure that you spell it the exact same way that it appears right here. http://fusion.tv-addons.ag. Okay. Once that is done, guys, you're gonna hit the back button. It's gonna take you back to the screen right here. You're gonna hit settings. In settings, you're gonna scroll all the way down here to where it says add-ons, and you're gonna click add-ons. The next step, some of you guys are gonna have install from zip, or some of these are just gonna look different. It's just gonna say download zip, install from zip, a couple different ways. The one that you want is you want to install from zip. You're gonna click on install from zip. Okay. You're going to scroll down to where the FU is at, okay? You're going to scroll all the way down to where the FU is at, and you want to click on FU, okay? On FU, then you're going to scroll all the way down to where it says Start Here. You're going to click Start Here, and the one that you want to click on, guys, is the very bottom one that says the Hub Wizard. This one right here, Hub Wizard. You're going to click on that, and you're going to wait for this to install. It's going to say at the bottom of the screen right there, Configure Wizard added, okay? Then after those, you're going to back all the way back out until you're here. You're going to scroll over to where it says Programs. In Programs, you're going to scroll down to Program Add-ons. And here, you're going to go ahead and you're going to find the Configure Wizard, which is this one right here. It's a blue square. It looks like this. It says Configure Wizard. Just like that. Okay? You're going to click on Configure Wizard. And what you're going to do is, this is going to bring you up all the options for the operating systems that this uses for. So what you're going to do is, down here, you're going to hit the Android one. Okay? You're going to scroll over all the way to the right. It says Android. This is very important, guys. You have to hit Android. What you're gonna do is you're gonna hit Android. Once you hit Android, it's gonna start a process and it's gonna do it all on its own. Okay? Once you do that, guys, just gonna go ahead and just click it on here for you guys. Just hit yes, and it's gonna take a little bit of time for this to go ahead and to process. But once all of this is done, guys, and you hit this configure wizard, this is gonna do everything for you. You don't have to do anything else. Let it run. This is a file that's very easy, guys, that I have for you guys so that you guys can actually just go ahead and just do this without having to do all of the other programming that I have for you, or that I've previously done for the boxes. You don't have to do anything else other than add the configure wizard repository, which is the http ://fusion.tvaddons.ag. Go back into the add-ons, enable it, and then once you enable it, it's gonna run the setup. You don't have to do anything else, guys. We have to wait until this thing is fully downloaded. As you can see, it's at 85%. Once this process is going, guys, it's gonna take us into another step where it's gonna install what it downloaded. And just for the sake of this video, guys, give it a second here while it does its thing. See, now it's at 100%. Now it's the configure wizard is installing it. Give it a sec. If you guys have any errors, anything that went wrong, you guys can always message me or just try the steps all over again. So now that it's done, guys, if it gets frozen here, if it says that the downloading, it stopped or something happened or whatever the case, whatever. As long as it got to 100%, as you can see, the background already changed, okay? Then very easy. This will happen once in a while. So let's say that you guys did this and this actually said, right now it's saying that it's frozen and then it's stuck right here. Give me a second here. What you're gonna want to do is just pull the plug from your box. Just start all over. Start the box all over again. Give me a second. Let this thing load up. Give it a second here, guys. Once you launch Kodi, you'll know that everything is working because everything is back to, it looks like this. It's going to look exactly like this, guys. This is what it's going to look like. So then what you're going to do is, under videos, you're already going to have preset add-ons down here. Very easily, guys, if you don't want these add-ons or if you want to add something more, just scroll all the way over to system. You're going to hit appearance. In appearance, you're going to hit skin. Excuse me here, appearance, settings, scroll over to the right, or to the left, I'm sorry, hit add-ons. We find the one that says videos, because those are the ones that we want. As you can see, everything's going to start updating down here in this corner. And what you want to do is, let's say we wanted to get rid of Phoenix, click on that one. What we want is we want Sports Devil, so what you'll do is you'll find Sports Devil. There, we'll add Sports Devil there, and then for this one, we'll add the V-dubs, or whichever one it is that you guys want. Just hit the back button. You guys go back to the videos, and there it is. Your shortcuts are here. Okay, in Genesis, obviously, you'll have your movies, by people or whatever it is that you're searching for. Let's hit box office here. And there are your movies right there, guys. So that's how you're going to get your box running. If for whatever reason something happens to it, this will get it back to stock. The stock version of basically Kodi with all the favorite add-ons. If you guys have any questions, please send me a text message. Actually, let's do this. If you guys have any questions, write it on the Facebook, and go ahead and wait for my reply back, guys. I'm trying to get us to everybody as soon as I can. Just remember, also keep this in, please, just to keep this in mind. When things like this happen, this does not mean that your box is defective or that your box stops working. What this means is that there was either a software update that went through and my software just didn't accept it, or something happened along those lines with a software update that the add-ons made. Keep in mind, I don't make these add-ons down here. I don't make these. These are just like, imagine them as being apps from the internet, just like the apps that are in your Play Store or in your Google Play Market or in the Apple Store. Apple and Google don't make those apps, okay? Other people make those apps. So there it is, guys. This is how you get your box working back to stock. Thank you so much. Bye.